Today, I am reviewing Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 Hot and Iced Coffee Maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a coffee maker that combines versatility, convenience, and rich flavor, the Keurig K-Duo Hot and Iced Coffee Maker Gen 2 is a must-have for any home or office. This dual-function machine allows you to brew both single cups and full carafes, giving you ultimate flexibility depending on your needs. Whether you're making a quick solo cup in the morning or serving multiple guests at once, the K-Duo Gen 2 has you covered. One of the standout features of this machine is its MultiStream technology. This advanced system ensures that your coffee grounds are evenly saturated during the brewing process, allowing for the full extraction of flavor and aroma. The result is a consistently rich and flavorful cup every time, whether you are brewing a hot coffee, a strong espresso-style single cup, or even an iced coffee. Speaking of iced coffee, the K-Duo Gen 2 comes with a brew-over-ice feature, which adjusts the temperature specifically for iced beverages. This not only enhances the flavor, but also reduces ice melt, ensuring that your iced coffee remains bold and refreshing without being watered down. The versatility of the K-Duo Gen 2 extends to its brew sizes. For single cups, you can choose between 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, giving you full control over your personal coffee experience. On the carafe side, you can brew 6, 8, 10, or 12 cups, making it ideal for families, offices, or gatherings where multiple cups are needed. The 12-cup glass carafe is designed to minimize drips, making pouring clean and easy while preventing messy spills on your countertop. Convenience is at the heart of this coffee maker. The front-facing control panel is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to quickly select your brew type, size, and strength. There's also a strong brew option for those who like a more intense and robust flavor, along with an extra hot function to ensure your coffee is always served at the perfect temperature. One of the most impressive features is the Programmable Carafe Auto Brew. You can set the machine to brew a carafe up to 24 hours in advance, which means waking up to freshly brewed coffee has never been easier. The pause and pour function is another thoughtful addition, allowing you to pour a cup mid-brew for about 20 seconds without waiting for the full brewing cycle to finish, a real lifesaver for busy mornings. The K-Duo Gen 2 also features a 72-ounce removable water reservoir, which serves both the single-serve and carafe sides. This extra-large capacity means fewer refills, saving you time and making it perfect for households with multiple coffee drinkers or offices with higher coffee demands. The removable reservoir is also convenient for cleaning and refilling, maintaining hygiene and efficiency. In addition to its functionality, the K-Duo Gen 2 is compact and stylish, fitting nicely on any countertop without taking up excessive space. Its modern black finish complements most kitchen decors while offering the practical advantage of dual brewing capabilities in a single machine. It's also designed with ease of use in mind, allowing both coffee beginners and seasoned baristas to enjoy a simple, straightforward brewing experience. In conclusion, the Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 Hot and Iced Coffee Maker is an incredibly versatile and reliable coffee machine that brings convenience, style, and rich flavor into one package. With its multi-stream technology, programmable brewing, strong and extra hot options, brew-over-ice feature, and large water reservoir, it is perfect for both single-serve enthusiasts and those who need a full carafe for multiple people. Whether you love your coffee hot, iced, or strong, this machine ensures every cup is flavorful, satisfying, and convenient to brew. For anyone looking to elevate their coffee experience at home or in the office, the Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 is an excellent investment that combines functionality, efficiency, and taste in one compact machine.